Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we have this Mitsubishi Mirage 1000cc integrated with an LPG gas. We are going to have a quick review and check the registration of this Mitsubishi Mirage 1000cc. This is how it appears at the back. That it's look at the back. Side way, its side look this way. It has a round shape at the front. Show you the front of this 2013 Suzuki Mirage. This is how it look. It have a very fine finish at the front. It's not a very powerful vehicle, but a good vehicle when you are for your fuel efficiency. It has a good fuel efficiency, and some people also integrate it with gas to make it more efficiency, but it's not so advisable to integrate your vehicle with an LPG gas, but some people decide to do so. Okay, these are the front interior of this 2013 Mitsubishi Mirage. It's how it appears. Okay, is a dashboard. It has a very fine dashboard, as you can see. For this 2013 model, it has a push button ignition. As you can see, it has a traction control. It's not so complicated. It's a very user friendly, and it's a good car to start with. Those are cup holders, CD radio player, functional, as you can see. The front seats are very spacious, as you can see. Adjustable, you can adjust to your height you need height to be. That is the front interior. The rear interior looks somehow like it's compressed. This is how the back interior looks like. It's not so spacious, but it's a good one. It can hold to accommodate your passenger, enough space for your passenger. Okay, let's see the integration of this gas. You can see we have this is the switch for the gas, and switch off the radio. Okay, that is a gas button, and it has a, let me show you the integration of this gas on your intake manifold. Let me open the hood. This is the engine. This is the engine of this 1 liter Mirage 2013 model. You can see this is the integration of the LPG gas to the intake manifold. This is the intake manifold, so it is integrated using these pipes. These are the connection of the gas, and the gas it has a tank at the boot where the gas is stored, and it has a switch where you can refill the LPG gas. Let me show you. This is the tank for the LPG gas. It's not so advisable to use the LPG gas on this vehicle because the manufacturer did not specify, so it will interfere with your power. This vehicle is a good vehicle when you want a vehicle that will save you cost while you're starting. It's a good car, but not so powerful when it's come to this engine. 1000 cc. It's not so powerful on long distance or whenever you want to overtake the vehicle. Okay, you may feel some delay because it has only like 70 to 75 horsepower. The vehicle is not so powerful. So that is a quick review for this 2013 Suzuki Mirage. Let's check the registration. That is the chassis number, the engine number, and the VIN plate or the sticker. The chassis number of this vehicle is at the front firewall on driver side. So I'm going to show you. Let me try to take the camera. This is the main chassis number at front firewall, left hand side, or at the driver side when you're facing the vehicle. That is the main chassis number. Okay, and the engine number, it's between the engine and the gearbox. Let me show you. Okay. Just after the intake manifold, so you are going to see the engine number. I'll try to zoom in. This is the engine number. That is the engine number of this 2013 Mitsubishi Mirage. Okay, let me show you the sticker or the VIN plate at the driver door pillar. The driver door. This is the VIN plate of this vehicle, and that is the quick review for this 2013 Mitsubishi Mirage with 1000 cc registration and the quick review. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.